Yeah, he hard, man. He hard. I'm trying to see what I'm gonna do to mine, man.
You ain't put no rims on yours.
Nah, I got rims on. I ain't talking about that.